friends, welcome to our channel. Let's learn basic programming language C. When we meet someone, we start with hello. Similarly, let's start C programming language with hello. Syntax of C is like basic English word, so it's easy to learn. When we print something on screen, we use printf function. Whatever we want to print, we put it within bracket and double quote. At the end, we put semicolon. Semicolon is end of the statement. Has its preprocessor directive. Stdio is standard input and output. .h is header file. Stdio.h is a standard library in which predefined functions of C language are there. We have to link between the header file and the preprocessor directive. Conio is console input and output and .h is header file. Void, it does not return any value. Main, it is the first function in C program. Whatever we write in this curly bracket, that will be executed on the screen. Semicolon ends a statement. In every statement, we have to put semicolon. Statement may be single statement or multiple statement. When we write multiple statement, we can use /n for printing a new line. Without using /n, it is not clear. Similarly, /t can be used for tab separation within a line.